what is the electron configuration for a chloride ion? So electron configuration for chloride ion. So first let's write the chemical formula for a chloride ion, right? For chloride is chlorine, so it's Cl, and it's an ion, right? So if I look at my periodic table here, chlorine exists in my halogens, right? Cl here, and I want an ion here, which means I'm gonna add another electron here to make it Cl minus, so that it's isoelectric with argon here. So in this case, it's Cl minus 1, right? Or 1 minus, or just simply minus. So I want the electron configuration of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off my electron configuration. I'm going to have, let's see how many electrons are in chlorine here. It's going to be in, both my electrons are going to be in the 1s orbital. So I'm going to write 1s2 for these two guys here. 2s2 would be the second line here, so I have 2s2 as well. 2p6 would cover all of these electrons, these six elements here, or 6 electrons. So this here is 2p6. I have 3s2, which is these 2 electrons here, so 3s2. And finally, I'm going to have 3p. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for chlorine, but remember, because it's an ion here, I'm going to add one more electron, so it's going to be 6, right? So this here would be 3p6. And this here is the electron configuration for the chloride ion here. So this is Cl minus, sorry. Cl minus is going to be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p6 here. And if you want me to draw the energy level diagram, I can also do that too. So think of 1s as, or let me actually use some lines here so it makes it actually a lot nicer for you all. So here is our energy here. So I'm going to start off with a 1s here. 1s is going to have both electrons here, and then I have our 2s, which is this shell is also filled. I have a 2p electrons here, which is also filled. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 6, and then I have 3s here, which will be 1 and 2, and finally I have 3p shells, and this is also filled, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and this here is my energy level diagram for chlorine as well. So let's look at the solution. So they did the atomic number here for chlorine here is 17. So that they did the actual electron configuration for chlorine first, and then they added one more electron to make it 3p6 here. So this solution here is correct. And again, I want the extra kind of way to draw the energy level diagram for you all as well. And 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 is therefore correct. So the solution is correct. Good analysis.